Let me ask you a very simple question. If someone offered you two choices right now, option 1, you receive $100 today. Option 2, you receive $100 1 year from now. Which one would you choose? Most people answer immediately. Of course, I'll take the $100 today. But here is the surprising part. Most people cannot actually explain why. After all, the amount is exactly the same. $100 today, $100 later. So why does almost everyone instinctively choose the first option? This small question hides one of the most powerful ideas in finance, an idea that explains how investors build wealth, how companies make billion-dollar decisions, and why starting early financially can completely change your future. This idea is called the time value of money, and once you understand it, you will never look at money the same way again. At first glance, money seems simple. $100 is $100. But in reality, money has something hidden inside it: time. And time gives money the ability to grow. Imagine you receive $100 today. Instead of spending it, you invest it somewhere that earns 10% per year. After 1 year, your $100 becomes $110. Not because you worked harder, not because you earned another paycheck, but simply because your money was given time to grow. Now think about the second option. If someone gives you $100 1 year later, that money has already lost something very valuable. It has lost 1 year of opportunity. And in finance, opportunity is everything. So here is the first key idea. Money is valuable not only because of how much you have, but also because of when you receive it. $1 today is more powerful than $1 tomorrow, because today's dollar can begin working immediately. And once money starts working, something incredible begins to happen. It begins to grow on its own. But this leads to a much bigger question. If time makes money grow, why do some people become incredibly wealthy while others struggle their entire lives? The answer lies in a powerful force called compounding. Imagine two friends. Both of them decide they want to build wealth. The first friend starts investing $100 every month at age 20. The second friend waits. He starts investing the same $100 every month but at age 30. Both invest the same amount. Both earn the same return. Both are disciplined investors. But something shocking happens over time. By the time they retire, the first investor can end up with hundreds of thousands of dollars more than the second one, even though they invested the same monthly amount. So what created this massive difference? The answer is the silent engine of wealth: compounding. Compounding is often called one of the most powerful forces in finance. Legendary investor Warren Buffett once explained this idea in a beautifully simple way. He said, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." Think about that for a moment. Wealth works exactly like planting a tree. At the beginning, nothing seems impressive. The seed is small, growth is slow, and many people lose patience. But over time, something incredible happens. The tree grows larger, the roots spread deeper, and eventually it begins producing shade and fruit. Investments grow the same way. Your money earns returns. Then those returns begin earning returns. And over time, this creates exponential growth. It's like a snowball rolling down a mountain. At first, the snowball is small, but as it rolls, it collects more snow. It becomes bigger, faster, and more powerful. This is why time is the greatest advantage an investor can have. Let's see how powerful this can become. Imagine you invest $1,000 with an annual return of 10%. After 1 year, you have $1,100. After 5 years, about $1,610. After 10 years, around $2,593. But now something interesting begins to happen. After 20 years, your investment grows to about $6,700. After 30 years, it becomes more than $17,000. Notice something important. The growth becomes faster and faster over time. This is the magic of compounding, and it only works when money is given enough time. Which brings us back to our original question. Why is $100 today more powerful than $100 tomorrow? Because today's money has more time to compound. Another famous investor, Benjamin Graham, once said something extremely important about investing. He explained that the biggest advantage an investor can have is not intelligence, it's discipline and patience. Many people believe building wealth requires complex strategies, but often the real secret is surprisingly simple. Start early, stay consistent, and allow time to do its work. Even some of the world's richest people built their wealth mainly because they started early and allowed compounding to work for decades. This concept is not only used by individual investors. Large companies use it every day. Imagine a company deciding whether to build a new factory. The factory might cost $10 million today, but it could generate profits over the next 10 or 20 years. So how does the company decide if it is a good investment? They calculate the present value of future money. This means converting future income into today's value, because money received many years later is worth less than money received today. This calculation helps companies make smarter financial decisions. It's one of the most important tools in finance. Now, let's return to the simple question we started with. $100 today or $100 1 year from now? At first, it seemed like a small choice, but now you know that choice represents something much bigger. It represents time. And in finance, time is one of the most powerful assets you can have, because time allows money to grow. Time allows compounding to work, and time turns small investments into large wealth. This is why many successful investors say the most important step is simply starting early, not waiting, not delaying, not thinking you will begin later, because the greatest advantage in building wealth is not luck, it's not perfect timing, and it's not even intelligence. The greatest advantage is time itself. And the sooner your money begins working, the more powerful your financial future can become.